Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet baby scarf. You will need meter, scissors, crochet hook number 6, needle, and this beautiful and soft yarn. It's yarn from Himalaya. It's 100% acrylic. They recommend crochet hook number 5, but we will use crochet hook number 6 because the scarf will be more soft. So let's get started. Make a slip knot and for size 6 months to 1 year make 130 chains. Now we will make only half double crochets and insert the hook into the second stitch. Don't count the loop on your hook. So this is second stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the second stitch, yarn over again. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull the loop through 3. Make 1 half double crochet into each stitch to the end. We are at the end of the first row. And here make 1 half double crochet into the last stitch. Now chain 1 and turn your work. Now we are going to insert the hook into the front loop. You will make 1 half double crochet into the front loop. This is front loop. Here. So make 1 half double crochet into each front loop. Look at here. Here is chain and you can see front loop very well here. So continue working 1/2 double crochet into each front loop to the end. We are at the end of the second row. Make 1/2 double crochet into the front loop. It's loop before last loop. And the last loop, it's not visible well. You must find it. When you will turn your work like this, you can see chain here, and the front loop is here. This is last front loop. Make 1/2 double crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. We will continue working half double crochet into each front loop to the end. If you want to make a scarf for older kid or for adult, just make more chains on start. This length is enough for 6 months to 1 year old baby. So continue working 1/2 double crochet into each front loop to the end. At the end, you must find the front loop again. If you can't find the front loop at the end, just insert the hook into the chain. Here is the chain, and the front loop is here. So make last 1/2 double crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. Continue working 1/2 double crochet into each front loop to the end and make 6 rows together. If you will need bigger width, just make more rows. I am at the end of this project. At the end it's still the same, but I will make a slip stitch in last stitch. cut the yarn and sew up the tails inside the scarf. So that's all. I think it's very easy and quick pattern. Next video I will show you how to make a hat, winter hat, and you can make the baby set for winter. So thank you for watching, have a great day and see you soon.